Okay, we're here today at Franks Pontiac Parts in Twentynine Palms, California to show off this 1956 Pontiac Star Chief 4-door hardtop that we have up for sale. Now, if you're looking to restore an old Pontiac and looking for something kind of unique, this is it. And it wouldn't be a very difficult restoration either. This car has been sitting at least 15 years in the desert that I know of. I actually picked this up just down the street from my house, so I know where this car's been for the last 15 years. It sat there with the hood open, so we'll go over that in a minute. The body is rust free. It does have some surface rust. Appears to be original paint, salmon pink and white. The salmon pink didn't do so well in the desert sun, but it's just light surface rust. Any of the other marks that you see on the body are just stains. They're not actual rust or rust issues, they're just stains. So pretty neat. Now, this car originally came from Art Miller Pontiac in Omaha. It's my understanding that they drove it out here and parked it, and that was about it. This car's been sitting a long time. I see that the tags on it say 1999, but my understanding is it's been sitting a lot longer than that. All the chrome is very nice. This is kind of a rare car. You see the exhaust tips that it has on it. Well, this car, from what I can tell, has every single option that was available. Power rear antenna, fender skirts you see on there. Now let's go over this side. I'll go back over options in a minute. All the chrome trim is very nice. All the chrome around the windows is very nice. When you restore one of these cars, those are the things that you look for, because all those parts cost you a fortune. This car doesn't need any of that stuff. All the chrome and trim is in really good shape, so you don't have to spend any money there. All the glass looks pretty good. It's starting to separate a little bit from the sun and the heat, which is typical for cars this year. Now, it does have some body damage. You look at the rocker on this side, they hit something. I don't know what they hit, but they managed to pretty much wipe out that rocker. But it has no rust. There's no rust there. And let's see here. Around to the front. Now, I mentioned that it had the hood open for years. I'll give you some stills of under the hood. You'll see those on our website. But the engine's all in there. Everything's there. 4-barrel V8. But the hood is pretty much toast. It looks like it ripped up the hood hinges and flew off the car in the wind. It's pretty windy out here. And you see the front bumper. Looks like they managed to hit a post or something. So it does need some work. There are some things to work on, but you don't want to get a project that, well, has nothing to do, right? So anyway, let's get a little closer look here, and we'll look at the interior and back to the options. So pretty rare. I really haven't seen one of these with front and rear power windows, but it's got them. And it's got a power seat, 6-way, which is pretty rare in a Pontiac. It's got the optional clock. You can see the clock there. Wonderbar radio. I believe that dial is for the extra speakers. It's got speakers, factory speakers in the back. And it's got aftermarket underdash air, which looks to be in really good shape. So the seat got tore up from sitting, and the rodents got in, and we're making little nests from that. I think we got everything out. Doesn't smell bad inside anymore, so that's a good thing. You can see the chrome, and all the dash chrome is in really good shape. We went ahead and pulled out the headliner, but the bows across the top, all the chrome bows across the top are in excellent shape. You open up the back here. There we go. Kind of see. Just in amazing condition. I'm just surprised to find something this old in this good a shape. Most of the GTOs we pick up are pretty trashed now, and to find an old car like this 56 in good shape is kind of crazy. So anyway, it gives you a pretty good idea what we got here. So 1956 Pontiac Star Chief 4-door hardtop, loaded with every option. For sale at Franks Pontiac Parts